Hey, so it's been a while. I thought, I'll take a quick break because the Halloween season is over. And then boom, 6 months with no uploads. So I'm sorry for that. And also, thank you for 100 subscribers because I reached 100 in my break and didn't even thank you guys for it. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, so I actually got this guy back in November. Found him on the side of the street. And they just let me pick him up, the people at the house, because they're actually planning on throwing him out. So this is the 6-foot, two-faced, rotating head Grim Reaper from Sam's Club, 2007. So this guy's pretty old, and I actually could not find any information on him on the internet. So if you have any information on this guy or where he's from, made him, please tell me down below in the comments because I have no idea anything about this guy. If you have him, that would be a pretty cool tip. But yeah, so I'm gonna be unboxing him and basically just showing you guys what he does. So right out of the box, here's his entire body, which just comes out all in one piece, and also the scythe. So let me just move the box out of the way so you guys can see this. Here's, there we go. Here's his body. Here's just the front of it and everything. His arms are posable so that you can make him hold the scythe in different ways. Speaking of the scythe, here are two pieces of the scythe. This is the top, which is pretty flimsy, which kind of stinks. Here is the middle, I believe. The bottom should be somewhere in the box. Yep, here's the bottom. So, he's actually a pretty simple setup because it's the last piece, and this is the head, which has an awesome sculpt. So, on this side, we've got a skull with red light up eyes, and spinning around on each side you've got a rotten green skull with green eyes. They've got ears too, which is a little bit silly since they're both skulls, but yeah, this is the head sculpt, which is absolutely awesome. It does actually have a date, copyright 2007. Not sure what that text says, if anyone can tell me, but yeah, it's an awesome head sculpt, and it looks great inside the bottom. So let's actually get to the setup. Okay, so first thing you have to do when you're setting this guy up is go take a look underneath his robe, and under here you'll find most of the controls, if you guys can see that. And this button, this is the decompression button. So what you're going to want to do is put your foot on this button and lift him all the way up. So I believe this should be as high as he'll go. So you can just straighten that robe back over there. Try to get it evenly on there. So yeah, he's a pretty tall animatronic. He's got a nice big round face. So that's really the most important part of the setup. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take his head. So let me try to readjust the camera and stuff because it's really windy out. There you go, you guys should be able to see up to his head now, and I can put his head on. anything. I believe it originally did snap in for the spinning mechanism on his head, but that is sadly not working. So I'll show the demo with the two different heads. And there's a piece of Velcro on the top of the head, if you did spot that, which the robe, the hood just goes right over like that. And there we go. Now you got a nice Reaper. So he already looks awesome, but what we're gonna want to do is reposition his arms so that he can hold the scythe. Now the scythe comes in 3 parts, as you saw, and everything just slides in nice and easy. That would go like this. Alright, so I think I got this done. I just grabbed a slab of rock and slapped on its base, as well as the finished scythe is here. So it's not that big of a scythe, but it will do its job. And I believe it should just slide in there like this. Now it's not perfect. It doesn't fit into his hands very well. You kind of have to use this to get it on his fingers, otherwise it won't stay on. So there's pretty much what it's going to end up looking like finished. So here's how he looks fully set up. Now I need to wire him up, and he should be ready after that with a few minor tweaks. So on to the demo. Alright, he's all wired up and finished the setup, so let's turn him on and get to the demo. So yeah, that was an unboxing of the 2007 Sam's Club Grim Reaper. If you'd like to see more unboxings, make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video.